You want to start a YouTube channel? Guess what? You don't need a camera. You don't need a mic. Just an idea and artificial intelligence. Just by using AI, you can create videos and unlock the chance to earn thousands of dollars. No camera, no mic needed. Step 1. Create your YouTuber avatar. Want something realistic? Use Sora to generate a complete setup from scratch. A confident YouTuber in a cozy, tech-inspired room, sitting in front of a mic, wearing sunglasses and a cap, surrounded by collectibles. This is just an example prompt. You can add or remove anything you like to match your own style. Want something fun? Turn yourself into an animation-style character. Or how about a Simpsons version of you? That's your new face online. You can be anyone. You can be anything. And it's all generated with a few words of prompt. I explained in another video how you can turn yourself into an animated character. You can find it in the description or on the cards. Step 2. Give your avatar a voice. Head to 11 Labs. Write your script, just like this one. Hi, I'm the YouTuber you created. Let's make money. Then choose a voice. Serious, funny, mysterious, robotic. Your call. In just seconds, your words become a human-like voiceover. Step 3. Sync it all together. Open Hedge and upload your voice file. Pick the avatar you made. Now, watch it talk.
Hi, I'm the YouTuber you created. Let's make money.
Your AI character now delivers your message, lip-synced and expressive. You're no longer behind the camera. You're the director of your own digital clone. Upload your video to YouTube. Add a good title, a catchy thumbnail, and just hit publish.
Let the hacking begin.
You've now created a fully AI-generated video. Without a studio, without a team, without ever showing your real face. This is how faceless channels grow fast, and how creators are making money, even in total anonymity. Want to stay ahead in the world of AI content creation? Hit subscribe and let Vectro TV be your secret weapon behind the scenes.